Today we're taking a look at the all-new Masterbuilt AutoIgnite 545. Big thanks to Masterbuilt for sponsoring this video. It is the latest integrated from Masterbuilt. It is a smoker, it is a grill, it is a barbecue, and we definitely need to take a closer look at it. Yesterday I unboxed and assembled this barbecue. I must admit it's a little bit of work because there are a lot of parts. However, all those parts together make for a fantastic quality built barbecue. It is solid, it is sturdy, and I love the way they put it together. As you can see, I haven't even taken the stickers off. But before we take a closer look at this device, let's first review the history. Masterbuilt has been building smokers for quite a while. They started off with the electric smokers and then they came up with this idea. An offset smoker, a grill. But like that wasn't enough, Masterbuilt decided to make them even bigger. And then they decided to make them smaller again. Which is kind of funny if you think about it. But to make them smaller, they had to adapt the system. You see, they could no longer use that big offset gravity fed system. They came up with a smart solution. Thank you. Because Masterbuilt put the gravity fed box inside the barbecue, keeping it fully electric and maintaining a large grilling surface even for a portable grill. Now of course this was an absolute genius move on the part of Masterbuilt, and I must say I love both of these barbecues. But we're not here to talk about these barbecues, but it will give you an idea where it came from. Let's get back to our AutoIgnite barbecue. Now you might wonder, if we got all those barbecues, why would we need another one, and why does it look like this? They figured out that they did an amazing job on the small portable version, so this now has all the good things of the portable smoker and isn't the daunting big smoker like the offset gravity fed smokers. First, let's start on how this thing actually works. Well, you got a large grilling surface, and on the side of that large grilling surface you have the firebox. You can load this up with charcoal, you can load this up with briquettes, you can even load it up with real firewood. And when the charcoal is lit, it produces heat from the charcoal and it pushes the hot air to the grilling surface. If you want to grill on this barbecue, you can grill on low temperatures with the cast iron grill grates. You're going to get those beautiful sear marks, or you can choose to grill straight on this mini hopper, because this mini hopper has a cast iron lid, and they made the cast iron lid in a way that the grease will drip down into the barbecue. And then the cool thing is, it goes all the way to the bottom right here. And there you have a dripping tray. And there's plenty of space at the bottom to store your charcoal in. And of course, the charcoal tray where all the ashes go. Now, since this barbecue is new and it comes from the factory, we're going to burn off all the greases and debris that is still here from the factory. Get it nice and seasoned up. Of course, I want to first add the barbecue to the app, and there we have the AutoIgnite 454 series. Press and hold the connect button on your, it's a beep. I just got it connected. I'm going to set it to Celsius, and as you can see, it just switched to Celsius. 340 is the max. I hit the ignition button, which means it is beeping, but there is a feature that you can't see from this part. So I'm going to show you exactly what that is, how to get to it, and how to use it. As you see, it's blinking at the moment. And that means it's warming up the little heater part that is right in here. As you can see, there's a faint glow in the back. And when the AutoIgnite button stops blinking, I'm going to put in a little fire starter. You can put one, you can put two. And I'm going to slide it in right here at the bottom. That's going to ignite. And I'm going to close the lid. It's already on. You see how it's auto-ignited? Which means I got to hurry up, get my charcoal in. Now all I need to do is close the lid and wait until the barbecue is up to temperature. If you do this in the right order, you would just set it up with a little bit of charcoal, put the fire starter in, you got everything ready, and then your woman says to you, "Hey honey, did you fire up the barbecue already?" You're just going to say, "Honey, it is lit." I've also received a pizza stone. Well, it's more like a whole pizza insert that goes with this Masterbuilt, and if you want to see me try something on that, just put it down below in the comments. We'll definitely give it a try. We also got a grill grate for resting, which goes in the top half of the barbecue. And since it's foldable, you can save some space. I got a hook to get my fire starter out, and all of the tools that you need to barbecue are with this grill. So you don't have to buy anything other extra than a fire starter and some charcoal, and you're good to go. Of course, the pizza stone is not included. I didn't say that. While the barbecue is getting up to temperature, we might as well make a little snack. And I'm gonna make something super easy to go on the barbecue. 500 grams of minced meat and 3 tablespoons of this seasoning will make it taste freaking delicious. Gonna mix it up. You wanna knead the minced meat in a way that it becomes homogeneous. So it's gotta be one smooth paste. I've got these smoked sausages, and I'm going to take my knife and about 1 finger away from the tip, I'm going to make an incision all the way through to 1 finger before the end. There we go, and now we have a hole like that. And I'm going to stuff that hole with minced meat. Now this one broke, which of course isn't what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to get them a little bit warmer so they won't break up on me. Looks pathetic. All right, let's give this another go. That's better. All right, here goes nothing. Whew, it works better. The fat inside this sausage is not as hard anymore, so it can handle a little bit more pressure. Okay, I gotta be careful still. Don't overdo it. It's like little canoes made out of sausage and minced meat. Now the question, of course, is how long does it take for the greases of the factory to burn out of the barbecue? Well, basically you can smell it. I can smell that behind me. I'm still getting a little bit of chemicals, some oil, and it's not just the fragrance of charcoal. So I'm kind of waiting for it to disappear. I'm going to lower the temperature a little bit. 200 degrees Celsius would be just fine. I'm going to put the sausages on the high rack. The barbecue is still a little bit hot. I'm going to toast the buns a little bit. I'm going to close the lid and let the barbecue just do its job. The buns are perfectly toasted in just a few minutes. Let's take these off. Now the sausages are going to need a little longer. I'm going to move them down to the lower grill grate where they have a little bit more heat. And it's always good to do a first simple cook with your barbecue with a low-end food. Now I got my burgers running. The burger is turning out real nice. We got a gentle sear on it. We got beautiful Maillard effect. And I'm really getting comfortable with it for the first cook. We got that nice sear going on. We got the cheese melt going on. We got our crispy buns. And no panic, no stress. It is all smooth sailing. Looks like the first burger is a success. A little bit of all-in barbecue sauce on top of it. That looks like one tasty burger to me. It's the first Masterbuilt AutoIgnite burger that we made. Jim just came in, helping me eat the burgers. Now I'm getting the sausage on. There we go. Nice toasty bun. I'm just gonna turn this off. There we go. And that's how easy it is. It will turn off automatically. We don't have to do anything else. We just have to wait for it to cool down. Just don't put it in the shed like this. How's the burger?
It's very good.
Curious about this sausage.
It looks funny.
That is good. Tell me what you need me to cook on this to prove that it's a worthy barbecue, and we're just gonna have fun with this couple of coming weeks. So let us know what you think of the AutoIgnite Masterbuilt, and see you guys in the next video.
It works very well.
Yeah, you definitely need to try it. It's a bit hot, but really tasty.